The investor pitch deck in 6 slides. This recipe provides templates for the 6 slides that cover the basic materials that every investor will need to see. The investor presentation. Our investor presentation is built around these 6 core slides. Your investor deck may contain more materials, but it should clearly and concisely cover these 6 topics that we will cover each in more detail. First, what do you do and what problem do we solve? Second, who cares about us solving this problem? Third, what is our secret sauce, or why are we uniquely positioned to solve this? Fourth, why do our customers care if we solve it? Fifth, how do we make money from solving the problem? Sixth, how does the business scale? Slide 1, the company story. This is where we create an emotional attachment to our company and what we're striving to accomplish, why our company matters. We provide a context for how the investor should think about our company. To do this, we must express our company and products from our target customer's perspective. When we're successful, what can the customer do that they hope or wish they could do now? Do not drop into how we do what we do. There's time for that later in due diligence. Slide 2, our ideal customer profile. We want to describe our customer profile to the level that our investors can picture them in their minds so they can relate our business to that individual. This includes the company characteristics, size, or relevant metrics, the industry, the geography, and then describes the individual's attributes, title, education level, technical sophistication. Declaring this profile does not preclude the company from addressing other segments later. Slide 3, why our offering is unique. This is our opportunity to describe why our product or service is unique in the market for this specific customer profile, and to draw the comparison for how the problem is currently solved. Here we want to mention any patents, trademarks, or special know-how that protects us or creates a barrier to entry for other companies. Pro tip, a startup lacks the funds to defend a patent, so the value is really that you have proof that you own the core technology that your company is based on. This provides additional substance to the company and reduces the risk to the investor. Slide 4, quantifying the value of our offering. This is where we want to quantify the value of our offering with metrics that are specifically meaningful to our ideal customer profile when compared to their current way of solving the problem. It may be speed, cost, or reliability, and how that translates to value in either increasing revenues or reducing the costs, or meeting their schedules and deadlines. This points back to the person we've identified as our ideal customer and why they will buy our products. Slide 5, the business model. This is where we demonstrate that thought has gone into our business model to match the value of the product or services that we provide and how it's delivered and purchased. This is a sanity check to see if it makes sense. We describe how it's delivered, SaaS, annual license, services contract, consulting contract, etc., and how it's charged, and an example of the estimated revenue per account based on that model described. If possible, we want to use numbers from a real account. Slide 6, how the business scales. This slide gives our investors a chance to do some math. Our presentation needs to have some numbers for everybody to be happy. This is the second part of the sanity check and is where many companies blow it with unrealistic numbers. We provide the estimated number of companies, customers in our initial target market. We estimate the amount of revenue per account over time, plus adding new accounts. We describe how we intend on adding new accounts. What is our go-to-market strategy? Based on our go-to-market strategy, we indicate how many will be added in the next few quarters. Pro tip, remember that enterprise decisions are slow, 6 to 12 plus months, and deployment will happen gradually over time. This needs to be reflected in the revenue numbers to be believable. Slide 7, in summary. We've spent so much time, effort, and energy in gaining the opportunity to meet and present to investors. We must make sure we're prepared for the meeting, quickly gain their attention and engagement, demonstrate an understanding of the market and why we will succeed, and prove that we're credible and committed to success. Good luck and keep me posted on your progress.